Established in 1997, Mandela National Stadium, locally called Namboole Stadium, is one of Uganda's renowned multi-purpose stadiums that saw its renovation works commence in 2022. Following the release of shillings 17.7 billion, balance of the shillings 97 billion by the Finance Ministry on Friday last week to facilitate completing the renovation of the stadium, the Speaker of Parliament, Right Honourable Anita Among, today made her way there to carry out inspection. Upon seeing various areas within the renovated premises and listening to the presentation of a report by the UPDF project engineer, Lieutenant Colonel Peter Chidemuka, the Speaker expressed satisfaction with the work done.
When I was coming in, I didn't expect what I saw. And on that note, I want to tell Engineering Brigade, I am extremely impressed with what you've done.
It was, however, realized that so far out of the shillings 97 billion expected to be invested, the books of account total project funds stands at shillings 80 billion, contrary to the shillings 76 billion recorded by the project engineers. To this, Among said that Parliament will conduct a forensic audit to ascertain the exact monies given towards the renovation works.
In our books of accounts as Parliament of Uganda, we have given you 80 billion. And the 80 billion is inclusive of the money that was used for fencing. So the money we have given you is 80 billion, not 76.
On the transit into the stadium, visitors are welcomed by decrepit pioneer buses parked in stadium premises and road network that is not impressive. Speaker Among ordered the removal of these vehicles, noting that the Ministry of Works and Transport ought to also look into the issue of the poor roads.
If you start parking buses, trailers, whichever here, then there will be a problem. Let's have our clean, smart stadium. And we should have it as soon as yesterday.
The road coming to the stadium needs to be worked on, and this road, Minister of Works should take it up and work on that road.
She also asked the Commission of Parliament, Honourable Mathias Mpuuga, and the State Minister for Sports, Peter Ogwang, to provide a detailed report on the renovation to Parliament.
I will leave Honourable Mpuuga go around and see everything and write a report and report to the House. And Honourable Mpuuga with the Honourable Ogwang, we need a report on the vacant possession.
The stadium is part of Uganda's plans for the Confederation of Africa Football CAF competitions in June 2024 and Africa Cup of Nations AFCON Games in 2027.
Previously, before the money was released, you talked about 1 month. Now that you have the money, we can talk about 2 weeks. We should be able to talk about 2 weeks because our interest is for us to host CHAN in Uganda, and after the 2 weeks, the Minister of Education should be able to write back to CAF, inviting them to come and see all the beautiful, good things.
The shillings 97 billion rehabilitation project, which commenced in 2022, has met a number of challenges, such as land wrangles and delayed delivery of supplies, among others. According to the UPDF project engineer, Lieutenant Colonel Peter Chidemuka, these have been sorted and the works are expected to be done by next month, May 2024.
The expected practical completion, as I've told you, will be 25th May. We shall no longer be here. We shall leave the place.
Overall completion of the stadium renovation works is at 87%.